Hello, one and all, and welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the most exciting questions humanity has ever pondered. Are we alone in the universe? Specifically, we're going to look at planets beyond Earth that could potentially sustain life. From icy moons to distant exoplanets, the possibility of finding life beyond our world is something that sparks curiosity and imagination. So, let's dive into some of the most intriguing places that might just support life as we know it, or perhaps life we've never even imagined. Let's start with the basics. For a planet or moon to sustain life, it needs certain conditions: liquid water, an atmosphere to protect life from harmful radiation, and the right chemical elements to form complex molecules. Earth has these perfect conditions, but does anywhere else in the universe share them? First on our list is Mars, the red planet. Mars has been a focus of scientific exploration for years. Although its surface is cold and dry today, we've found evidence of ancient riverbeds, frozen water beneath its surface, and seasonal methane spikes, which could indicate microbial life. While the atmosphere is too thin to breathe, future missions are looking at ways to terraform the planet and create a more hospitable environment. Mars has been a dream for scientists, with many hoping it could one day support human colonies. Next up is Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Europa is a frozen world, with an icy surface covering a vast ocean of liquid water underneath. This moon might not have breathable air, but the subsurface ocean could harbor the right conditions for microbial life. Scientists believe that hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, much like those here on Earth, could provide the necessary warmth and chemicals to support life. Europa's potential to sustain life is so exciting that NASA's upcoming missions are focused on exploring its hidden depths. Another fascinating place is Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons. Enceladus is similar to Europa in that it has a thick ice shell covering an underground ocean. What's even more interesting is that this moon shoots out plumes of water vapor and organic molecules into space. These plumes have been analyzed by spacecraft, revealing that the ocean beneath may have the necessary conditions for life, like the presence of methane and other organic compounds. Enceladus's subsurface ocean could potentially host simple life forms, thriving in a completely different environment from Earth's. Now, let's turn our attention to exoplanets, planets that exist outside of our solar system. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, and some of them are located in what we call the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. One of the most exciting exoplanets is Kepler 452b, often called Earth's cousin. This planet is roughly the same size as Earth and orbits its star, Kepler 452, in a similar way Earth orbits the Sun. The temperature, the amount of sunlight, and the distance from its star all suggest that liquid water could exist on its surface. While it's a distant possibility, Kepler 452b could be one of the most Earth-like planets we've discovered so far. And then there's the TRAPPIST-1 system, located just 39 light-years away. This star system is home to 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. Scientists are particularly interested in these planets because they are so similar to Earth in size and temperature. Some of these planets could potentially have water, and with the right conditions, could sustain life. This system offers a glimpse of what distant Earth-like worlds might be out there, waiting to be explored. So, what do these planets and moons all have in common? Liquid water. Whether it's beneath an icy crust or on a distant exoplanet, water is the key ingredient for life. In fact, scientists believe that wherever we find water, we may also find the building blocks of life. From Mars to Europa, Enceladus, and far-off exoplanets, the search for life beyond Earth is full of promise. But what if life doesn't look like what we expect? Maybe it's not carbon-based, or maybe it doesn't need water in the way we understand it. The universe is vast and mysterious, and our search for life continues to unfold in ways we could never have imagined. While we don't yet have the answers, The discovery of these planets and moons gives us hope. The possibility that life exists beyond Earth isn't just about finding another home. It's about understanding the very essence of what it means to be alive. We're not just searching for life on other planets, we're searching for the answers to some of the universe's deepest questions. As we continue to explore space, we are reminded of how precious and unique life on Earth is. But we are also filled with wonder at the thought that life might be thriving on other planets, waiting for us to find it. Who knows? One day, we might find not just one, but many planets that can sustain life. And when we do, it will change everything we thought we knew about our place in the cosmos. Thank you for joining me today on this exciting journey through the stars. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep wondering, and keep looking up. The universe is full of possibilities. We're just getting started.